All right, Rob Fraser here. Basically wanted to do an update video for Power Lead System. Haven't done one of these in a long time. So the name of this video is how I made $316,682.33 with the Power Lead System. Video, how I made $316,682.33. I'm not saying that to brag. And obviously this is my back office. I started earning in 2015 and have been earning decent-ish since then. Now, if you see here, 2015, 30,000, 2016, 84, 2017, 56, then 48, 38, then it kind of goes down a little bit, and that's kind of my fault as well. 2020, 16,000, 2021, 18, 2022, 12, 2023, 10, and so far 2024, I'm at 1,600. So basically, as you can see here, ever since January of 2015, been paid on a weekly basis. And now Power Lead System actually pays out daily. Couple reasons for, I don't want to call it a little decline, but I will say that 336,000 or 316,000 is over the course of the past, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9-ish, 9 years and a couple of months. So a few things. Number one, I've had a love-hate relationship with Power Lead System. I mean, I've promoted it hard, and then I've backed off a little bit. I used to use Power Lead System as my main list building system. Basically, whenever people come across my marketing and they click on a page and they opt in, they put in their email address. I used to always use Power Lead System. Now I have switched to Leads Leap because it's just a tad bit easier to work with Aweber. And also this video is if I'm saying some advanced type stuff, these are just different reasons why I haven't pushed Power Lead System as hard. I will always say, however, one last thing I do want to show before I kind of get into the rest of this video is I'm just going down here to click on the leaderboards, and you can see the leaderboard for the week. I don't know. Here's a leaderboard. Most of these leaderboards are updated on a weekly basis, but I just want to go down here to top 10 all-time producers. There's Frank Calabro, there's Michael Palmer, there's Franco Gonzalez, and then here at number 4, there is me. And this is all time. This isn't like the past 7 days or something, March 31st through April 6th. But this is just all time, number 4 earner. Frank has earned over $1 million with this opportunity. I'm at 316,000 as of today. And again, not bragging, just saying, I've had my ups and downs with online marketing. And, I don't want to say with PLS, but PLS, the training, some of the training that I want to share is absolutely amazing. Number one, if you're doing YouTube marketing or even social media, the 90-day challenge here, as soon as you log into your back office, right here on the left, 90-day challenge put on by Ace and Rich, you want to go through this training, and they take more of an organic approach to marketing. This sales funnel right here, I know I'm kind of bouncing around, is a funnel that you get with the system. And also Frank Calabro has worked on a couple of these systems. He's the guy that taught me how to do solo ads for the first time. And so if you want to learn how to do solo ads, and yes, they are still viable in 2024, you just got to track a few extra things. But he's the master at paid marketing. So we got organic content marketing training. We got paid traffic. So I always say there's 3 ways to build a business. The 3 C's: clicks, content, and connections. Clicks is paid traffic. Content is stuff you put on YouTube, social media, and you do all that to build your list of connections of people who join you in business. So we got the content marketing. We got the clicks, and what about connections? So in the back office here, I'm going to just go down here to PLS Legacy. You go over here to, where is it? Training. Endless free leads training. As a Power Lead System Gold member, you get free access to that endless free leads training. That will teach you how to post on social media. And when people respond, that'll teach you exactly what to say to people to see if they're open to your opportunity. That endless free leads training takes care of that connections training. And also, one other thing I want to share in the training, Home Business Pro, there's an email training done in here by a guy named Greg Davison, who will teach you how to tell your story so you can connect with your email list. So in essence, we're just kind of bridging the gap. We got the content marketing here. We got the clicks training here. We got the connections training here. So the training is absolutely solid. I will say, as far as the marketing system goes, you will want to use Leads Leap, especially if you're an Aweber user, because Power Lead System and Aweber, there's just like some weird thing. If you have Get Response, you're good. Me, I've had Aweber for the past some odd years, and I know sometimes Aweber and PLS doesn't connect, but if you grab a free Leads Leap account, you can use Leads Leap capture page, redirect it to the Power Lead System stuff as well. So how did I make the 316,000? Number one, I joined. Number two, I bought most of the products. Number three, I used the share codes. I never promoted Power Lead System just by itself. I always had it connected to other opportunities. And that was a big part of why I was able to, make a lot of that money. Matter of fact, back in some of those other years, let's go down here to commissions paid. So back in some of these other years, especially 2016, 2017, I was making share codes for all kind of other businesses and opportunities, and that's where I made the bulk of my money. But again, kind of getting to the Aweber problems and things like that, I kind of slowed down a little bit. But since coming across Leads Leap, that kind of took care of that problem. But the training will help you no matter what business it is you're promoting. But again, Power Lead System works as a supplementary offer, not a primary offer. You can make primary money, but it's better when you use it for a marketing system. And I don't like promoting a marketing system just to promote a marketing system. I like to always connect it with a business. So anyways, that being said, wrapping this video up. Underneath this video is going to be a link to this kitchen table funnel. Opt in, check out what I'm doing. Name's Fraser, how I made $316,000 with the Power Lead System, divided over the past 9 years. But what opportunity, there's a lot of stuff in affiliate marketing. Not a lot have been around for 9 years. So just think about that. Any which ways, wrapping this video up. Information is below. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.